Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Lana Del Rey. Do you recognize that name? You probably do, and she has this beautiful song called Summertime Sadness. It's great. We just had to bring it here on Gordon Guitar. And in my opinion, to handle the song, the best scenario for us is the capo set here on the 2nd fret. With that, we have 5 different chords. So let's take a look at the chords, starting with the G. Alright, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. B minor next, it's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have A as the next chord. And that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have E minor as well. And that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. These are the 4 main chords to handle almost 90% of the song, but then comes a bridge part later on, and to be able to play that, we need to learn the F sharp minor as well. So that's another bar chord, still on the 2nd fret here, in the same way as B minor. This time you have to bar all strings there. And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And there you have all the chords, G, B minor, A, E minor, and F sharp minor. Let's take a look at this starting point here. And like I mentioned, G, B minor, A, and E minor are the 4 chords that builds up this song, and it goes in this order when it comes to the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. So the song starts actually with the chorus part. It's more of a vocal part, but we will add 1 down to start with per chord. So you're gonna play G, B minor, A, and E minor. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. So that's how the song starts. Okay? And then starts the actual song, you can say the verse play. So we have this main strumming pattern. We'll have actually 2 in this song, but this is the main one. And it goes like this. Okay, illustrated with G, so grab that one. So it starts with 1 down, a short pause, and then comes up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. That is 1 string round. So a couple rounds of it goes. Alright. But we'll not stick to G all the time. We'll play only 1 string round per chord. Starting now with the verse, you're gonna play 2 rounds of this chord progression: G, B minor, A, and E minor. It goes like this. That is the first verse. Over now to the first pre-chorus, you're just gonna continue in the same way. 2 rounds again of G, B minor, A, and E minor. And then you're gonna jump right into the first chorus. So the first chorus is a total of 4 chord progression rounds. The first 2, you're gonna continue with this main strumming pattern, down, up, clap, down, for 2 rounds. Then for the last 2 rounds, we're gonna learn now a new strumming pattern. So the chords will be the same, G, B minor, A, and E minor. Now it sounds like this for 1 round. Okay, so it's down, clap, down, down, clap. Down, clap, down, down, clap. Down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, so you're gonna play that for the next 2 chord progression rounds. So a total of 4 rounds in the chorus, and that's it. Now you go back to play the second round of everything, and everything repeats itself. No new stuff here. The second verse is played for 2 rounds, the second pre-chorus for 2 rounds, and also the second chorus for 4 rounds with this split. 2 rounds of the main string pattern and then the next 2 rounds of the new word we just learned. After this second chorus comes a bridge part, and we're now about 2 minutes and 52 seconds into the song. We're gonna go back and handle this with the main string pattern, the down, up, clap, down. The chords now will be F sharp minor 1, B minor 1, G 1, E minor 1. Then the second half will be F sharp minor 1, B minor 1, and A 4. And that's it. So F sharp, B minor, G, E minor, F sharp, B minor. You play all these chords for 1 string round, and then you end with A4, like this. And that ends the bridge parts. Before we go into the third chorus, there's actually this vocal going on where she sings the chorus, and there is some background playing there, but not this kind of strumming playing. So in my opinion, this is just a vocal part before she sings the third chorus, but it lasts for 1 round of the chorus play. Then starts the final chorus, and that's the third one, and it's no news there. It's played in the exact same way. 4 rounds in total, a split of 2 for both these string patterns. And after you play this final chorus, we actually have this fade out outro going on. And what you're gonna do there, you're gonna play the bridge part. We just learned that you're gonna play that till the very end. And when you come to the final chords there, the F sharp minor, B minors, and A, she kind of just fades away to eternity with her summertime sadness poetry. Yes, of course, a great song here from Lana Del Rey. You just have to learn it if you like this song. Very playable on guitar. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, feel free to support me on Growing Guitar. I do my best to please you, and if you like Lana, she will be back for sure, so subscribe to this channel. Till next time, play tuned.